In 2019, I flew to Stockton, California to get certified in painted hair. It's the trademark highlight method of Patricia Nicole. She goes by Painted Hair on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm one of her certified artists. Stick around to the end of the video to see my painted hair artwork. Here you're seeing photos from the demo class. I flew up 2 separate times to learn this incredible technique. She had us fly up on demo class to watch her do her method, and then 1 month later, I turned around and came back for a hands-on class. The reason this method is so incredible and changed the life of my career is, have you ever got your highlights done? You spent all day in the salon, paid a lot of money, and then when you're finished, the stylist is done, it didn't look like anything happened. Your highlights disappear in all of the thick hair that you have. Well, because painted hair is a surface balayage technique, you will never get that. You can expect bold, beautiful dimensional color with ribbons of light and dark. It can be customized for subtle or bold, more vibrant results. Here you're going to see photos from the hands-on class. I spent all day learning this incredible balayage technique. We practiced with the lightener, we practiced with the cottons and the paint brushes, and all of it is exclusive, and I will never share my method. I also learned how to style the painted hair way. And here is the greatest day of my career when I got certified in painted hair. Thank you so much, Patricia, for teaching me your method. Here's photos of my painted hair artwork, and it's the method I love and do 5 days a week at the salon. I'm in San Diego, and you can book your appointment online. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions about hair coloring or about painted hair, go ahead and put them in the comments. Bye!